On July 27, 2022, Doorbell News shared a video capturing a peculiar incident. In the clip, a man is seen attempting to open a mailbox using an unusually large butcher's knife at 1:00 a.m. with no one else in sight. The man cautiously surveys his surroundings before commencing his efforts to break the mailbox lock. Despite the struggle and repeated attempts with the knife, he eventually succeeds in opening the mailbox. As he approached the mailbox, his eyes fell upon an unexpected sight: a makeup kit nestled snugly inside. Curiosity piqued, he reached out and retrieved the package, noting its heft and the ornate design adorning its surface. A mischievous glint flashed in his eyes as he weighed the possibilities, and without a second thought, he discreetly tucked the package under his arm and walked away, leaving the mailbox in his wake. In July 2021, the security footage from a couple's doorbell camera captured a chilling scene that could only be described as a nightmare. The woman of the household, who happened to be home alone at the time, witnessed a man peering into her kitchen window. The unsettling incident was enough to send shivers down her spine. As the man continued to lurk around the perimeter of the house, the woman's anxiety grew. Her heart raced as she watched him make his way to the front door and ring the doorbell. The fear of the unknown consumed her as she hesitated to answer the door.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you positive?
According to the statements of the woman, she claims to have never responded to the man and was completely unaware of his identity. She proceeded to take refuge in her residence and immediately contacted emergency services by dialing 911. Despite her efforts, the man remained standing eerily at her doorstep. In an attempt to defuse the situation, the woman's husband utilized the intercom system to inquire about the man's intentions. Upon further investigation, it was discovered that the man was a fugitive from California, identified as Christopher Sumps, who was 40 years of age. The following day, law enforcement authorities promptly arrested him for his suspicious behavior. In the unsettling sequence captured by a Reddit user's doorbell camera, the homeowner awoke to the sound of their dog frantically barking outside. Moments later, a notification from the Ring app alerted them to motion detected at their front door. Upon opening the app, they were met with a chilling sight: a man's disembodied eyeball staring directly into the camera, accompanied by faint whispering and mumbling.
Okay, I was just looking for my dog, Fido. Whoa, you don't have to get all like that and stuff, honey. You know, we could be friends.
Caught in an awkward situation, the man attempted to justify his presence by claiming that he was merely searching for his dog, coincidentally named Fido. However, his unconvincing explanation fell on deaf ears as the homeowner, unwavering in his suspicion, threatened to involve the authorities. Feeling cornered, the man grew defensive and insisted that his intentions were pure, emphasizing that he had no malicious intent. The tense atmosphere intensified as the homeowner held his ground, refusing to accept the man's dubious explanation. In a disturbing incident that has raised concerns about personal safety, a Twitter user shared their experience of noticing a mysterious figure lurking outside their apartment for a month. Despite reaching out to the authorities, the situation remained unresolved, leaving the individual feeling vulnerable and unsafe. The user, who wishes to remain anonymous for fear of retaliation, stated that they first noticed the strange man appearing outside their apartment at night. Initially, they dismissed it as a coincidence, but as the days turned into weeks, the man's presence became more frequent and unsettling. The individual set up a hidden camera to capture footage of the man, which revealed that he would often linger outside the apartment, sometimes for hours at a time. In one unsettling clip, a mysterious figure can be heard speaking in an unclear and distorted voice, leaving his intentions shrouded in secrecy. His eerie behavior hints at something sinister, causing viewers to emphasize the need for vigilance. Concerns have been raised that he might make a return, although the status of these events remains uncertain. It is hoped that such disturbing incidents have ceased, but the uncertainty lingers. This footage was recorded at 5 o'clock in the morning on October 2nd, 2022. It depicts three unidentified men standing in front of the front door of a residential property. The individuals are armed and wearing masks resembling those from the film The Purge. One of the men notices the presence of a doorbell camera and promptly covers it with his hand, obstructing the view for a significant portion of the recording. However, for a brief moment, the camera is uncovered, revealing the faces of all three men in close proximity. The homeowner, who had been sleeping soundly until that moment, suddenly wakes up to the incessant motion detected notifications on his phone. As he hurriedly grabs his phone and opens the app, he is met with the sight of a person crouching low to the ground against the wall, clearly trying to avoid being seen by anyone inside the house. However, due to the cover of darkness and the angle of the camera, all the homeowner can see is a glove covering the lens.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Confused and somewhat alarmed, the homeowner immediately turns on the speaker function of the app and tries to identify the person on his front porch. However, without the context of the earlier footage, he is unable to make out any distinct features or recognize the individual. Fearing for his safety and that of his property, the homeowner quickly decides to call the authorities for assistance. It is only later, upon reviewing the footage, that he realizes the true intentions of the person who had been lurking on his front porch. After receiving no response from the man, the homeowner resorted to calling the police. However, by the time the police arrived, the men had already fled. Many speculate that their intention was to lure the homeowner into opening the door, possibly to rob him. However, it is curious that they did not attempt to convince him to come to the door when he used the doorbell speaker. It is more plausible that they were trying to pick the lock while the camera was being covered. As for their plans upon gaining access, it remains a mystery. This video, captured around 3 o'clock a.m. by a local homeowner, serves as a haunting testament to the unexpected and unsettling events that can transpire during the night. The homeowner, who prefers to remain anonymous, describes being deep asleep at the time of the incident, oblivious to the strange occurrences taking place outside his residence. It was only when he awoke to a notification on his phone that he discovered the unsettling footage, leaving him both shocked and bewildered. A woman was observed repeatedly attempting to enter a house using various keys and searching for a hidden one. The perplexed homeowner, who had never encountered her before, was astonished by her persistence. To his bewilderment, the unidentified woman, evidently driven by an unknown compulsion, escalated her actions by throwing rocks at his car and tampering with the locks. The situation took a more disconcerting turn as the woman directed her attention toward the doorbell camera, repeatedly attempting to insert keys into it, as if seeking an alternative entry method. After several futile attempts, she abruptly departed from the property, leaving the homeowner shaken and perplexed. Despite the incident, the woman was never spotted on the premises again, leaving behind an enigma that continues to baffle the homeowner. In this spine-chilling video captured by a doorbell camera, a nightmarish incident unfolds. The footage begins in the darkness of night, revealing a seemingly deserted street. Suddenly, an eerie and grotesque figure emerges, cloaked in the guise of a clown. With a twisted smile and menacing eyes, the clown approaches a house, its sinister intentions palpable. As the clown draws closer, the tension in the air thickens. Its bizarre and distorted appearance is enough to send shivers down one's spine. Its costume, a jarring mix of vibrant colors and haunting imagery, only adds to the unsettling nature of the encounter. With each step, the clown's presence becomes more menacing. Its movements are deliberate and calculated, like a predator stalking its prey. The camera captures the moment when the clown reaches the doorstep, its twisted grin widening as it gazes into the unsuspecting home. In this video footage captured at approximately 2:00 p.m., an individual clad in a dark hoodie, visible in the frame, approaches a residential property and presses the doorbell. However, the occupant of the house, engrossed in music through headphones, remains oblivious to the doorbell's chime. Perceiving the absence of a response, the man in the dark hoodie likely deduces that no one is home. Approximately 15 minutes later, he returns accompanied by an accomplice, distinguishable by their white hoodie. Together, they attempt to force entry into the house by kicking the door. The commotion generated by their repeated attempts to breach the door penetrates the occupant's headphones, prompting him to yell out an unintelligible phrase that effectively startles the two intruders, causing them to abandon their efforts and flee the scene. In this unsettling video, a mother named Jodo and her son Daniel find themselves in a chilling encounter that serves as a stark reminder to be vigilant and aware of one's surroundings. As they return home late at night, they enter their house and close the door behind them, seemingly unaware of the danger lurking outside. Moments later, a man can be seen in the frame, stealthily approaching their home. With a sinister intent, he attempts to open the door.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Who's that?
Jojo and Daniel are engaged in a heated argument. Jojo, with a stern voice, orders Daniel to go take a shower, asserting that his fatigue is not an excuse. However, Daniel insists that he is too exhausted to comply. Amidst the commotion, the sound of someone grabbing the front door handle is clearly heard, sending shivers down their spines. In a matter of seconds, it becomes apparent that Jojo had locked the door from the inside. She cautiously looks outside and notices a man standing in front of the camera. With a firm voice, she shouts at him to leave immediately. The man takes one step back, but remains in front of the camera, his expression emotionless. He does not respond to Jojo's command, choosing instead to stand there with a blank stare.
Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.
There are conflicting theories surrounding the events that transpired in video. Some speculate that the perpetrator had been tailing the two individuals all the way back to their home, while others believe that he had intentionally set up camp near their residence, awaiting their return. Regardless of the truth, it remains unclear what his intentions were upon discovering an unlocked door. Jojo immediately contacted the authorities, but by the time they arrived, the man had vanished, leaving many questions unanswered. It is likely that we will never truly know the full story. In this video, a terrifying incident was captured on a doorbell camera. Initially, the video shows a peaceful and tranquil scene in front of a house. However, moments later, something horrifying occurs. A life-threatening accident unfolds in front of the lens. As the video begins, we see a residential street with parked cars and a few individuals walking by. The atmosphere appears calm and serene. Suddenly, a loud screeching sound pierces the air, startling the viewer. A vehicle, traveling at high speed, loses control and veers off the road. It crashes into a parked car, causing a violent collision. The impact sends debris flying and leaves the vehicles mangled and damaged. The doorbell camera captures the full extent of the accident. We see the moment of impact, the screeching of tires, and the cloud of smoke that billows into the air. The force of the crash is evident as the parked car is pushed several feet away. Pedestrians and neighbors nearby rush to the scene, shocked and concerned. The video serves as a harrowing reminder of the dangers that can occur on our roads. It highlights the importance of staying alert and obeying traffic laws to prevent such accidents. The incident captured on this doorbell camera is a sobering example of how quickly a peaceful moment can turn into a scene of chaos and devastation.